Kia Optima, 11 of '08, so it must be an '09 maybe. Anyway, here's what we got. And I did buy one. So let's try to put it in. There's probably better ways to do this, but this is what I do, and I just lost it. I have to find it. It flew on the floor. That little cap. There's another little cap. Hope I'm showing it to you. So it looks like we're going to be Phillips screwing it. I believe there's one down in here. We're going to do the same thing to it. I gotta find that one before it. Oh, I found it. There's that little cap. And what is it down in here? I can't see, probably in film. Same time. This one's softer. So, it looks like we got 3 Phillips screws. Let me go get my screwdriver. Okay, I hope I got you in the picture. I took the one out of the door handle here, and I'll take the other ones out and see what we get. Problem is, I got the front of this car up on ramps and the door keeps wanting to close up on me. I'm just going to get underneath the bottom of the door somewhere here. The plastic pry tool. Oh, I see the door. 2 screws in the bottom. I'll see them. I like the ones that has a lot of screws in them. Easier than trying to do blind clips. Leave them. Just in case they're separate, we'll leave them ones by themselves. I think they're all the same though. I'm not sure if I have to pop that out or not. All I need is enough room to get in there and change that door handle. Now let's see what happens. Somewhere, gotta be able to get in there, right? Oh, I see another one right here. Look at there. Take that or a little screwdriver, whatever you can. Try not to mar it up any more than you have to. A little scratch there. A little armor, I'll cover that up. Some of this is harder to do because you're trying to stay out of the way of the camera. I don't even know if you're seeing it. All this could be for nothing. Feels like I'm still holding up here. See if I can see what's going on. Okay, I see one screw. Sorry, but that lawnmower went by and I figured. Now you could unhook the door panel, but I'm just going to let it sit here. If you want to, you could take a piece of tape and put it there, but you can see on the back of this one that there's some catches here that when it fits down in, there's 3 of them that it catches and slides in. So that's telling me I got to pull it back, and there we are. Now, next thing is going to be getting the cables out. You pull the cable out like that. You got to hold that and twist it. I'll show you in a second there. Goes in there sideways, and then the cable just goes in, same as this one. Oh, my hands are probably right in the way. The driver's side is the left-hand door. Okay, now this one, for some reason, okay, now they'll snap down in there. So now what we're going to do, put this in where them 3 notches are, and get that plastic out of there. And then here's them notches right here. There's 3 of them there that it goes into. See the front one out here, and then they hook under the door panel metal. If you look in here, you can see where the cables snap into place. Up here you can kind of see how you put the cable in this way, and then you got to rotate the cable back through that slot right there. And on this one, the cable goes in on the top and goes through the slot right here at the top. See the slot at the top? It don't go in between, it goes on top, down in the hole, and then the cable goes through and snaps in. Maybe it's, there we go. Now I'm not in the back. You gotta get all 3 of them in there. I guess that's it, because the screw's matching up. I want to get this in, and then first thing we're going to do is make sure we think the door works before we put the door panel back on. Appears to. So now you gotta get this. There's like a little ridge right here. I don't know if I can show you or not, but that's got to go over top of this. There's like a rubber seal there. The hardest part will be getting it under here. I'm not so sure I wasn't supposed to maybe remove that. I can get the handle through, I know that. that's the right way. But it worked. Yeah, you might have supposed to have taken that, I don't know. But you can do it that way. You just gotta flex up a little bit on the door panel. Put all these screws back in, pop your caps in, and we're good to go. I hope. Another thing is, anytime I do a door handle, just because, I mean, the other doors are open and all, but I try to leave the window rolled down the first time just in case. Oh boy. One more somewhere here. Let's see, there's gotta be two more. Oh yeah, one right there. Let me go ahead and put it in. Oh, I don't have extra screws left over. Usually it's a good job when you got extra screws left over. There's that one. Oh, that's a soft one. It's that little one that I lost. You just push them right back in. This one is soft. It goes right back in pretty easy. Now we just got one more screw and then we try it. Now screw in a cap. Whoa, see there, that door keeps wanting to. It's kind of real time. I'll reach in. Lock it. Now it's locked. Doesn't matter if you unlock it or if you lock it, the inside one still opens. Okay, so that works. That's all there is to it. We're going to put the window back up and call her good. I'll show you here real quick. Here's them three catches. There's one here, and here. See how they like slide under, the door panel slides under. But then here on these, if you look on the end, you can see the slot the cable goes in, and you can see the hole right in there for the cable. You put this in, just turn it back to that slot. Same as this one here, goes down in the hole and then the slot.